Sometimes back, we broadcasted a news here that Honorable Betty Aolu Chan was hacked, of which she also confirmed herself on Facebook. A lot of messages were being sent using her account, but she was not the person behind the messages. There were some people who were begging for money, other people, some were insulting people using her own WhatsApp contact. Now, that is something I think you cannot say is nice. That is suffering. So here is how you can avoid suffering like Honorable Betty Chan. In other words, welcome to the 8 ways you can avoid being hacked. Many people used to think hacking is something which is just a theory or something which is just for movie purposes, things you see on the movie. But now it is becoming reality. Now, these are the things you can do to avoid being hacked on WhatsApp. Number 1, enable two-factor authentication. You can do this by going to setting. You go to account, and you go to two-step verification, then you press enable. This will add an extra layer of security by requiring a PIN in case somebody wants to log into your WhatsApp without permission, or somebody wants to reset the password of your WhatsApp. Keep your WhatsApp app updated. Many people think these are minor things. When you see applications in need of updates, with this way you have bought just MBs of 1,000 or 500 Uganda shillings, you say, it will finish my MBs for no reason. Even if it does not come with new features, there are security features which are updated together with the phone, which can prevent highly technical people from hacking your WhatsApp. So stop neglecting whenever you see notification for updates in Google Play Store or Galaxy Store, depending on the phone that you're using, either Samsung or whatever, or even App Store for those who use iPhone. Make sure you keep your WhatsApp application updated. Number 3 is avoid sharing personal information anyhow, even from your non-contacts. For example, your WhatsApp verification pins, don't share it to anybody. Use it yourself, because this could be used by someone else to fizz you and enter into your account. Then also, don't click on links anyhow. Get to know the official links of every brand that you may opt to. For example, links from Acholi Pro Evo TV official website are always having this domain, acholiproevotv.com. Now, these links, like for other known companies like Facebook, YouTube, and so on, they are known. There is always a sign. Look for that sign, a lock sign, which indicates that this is authentic website, which will not fizz and hack into your personal details, which may go beyond only WhatsApp. You can even enter into your credit card details of the bank. So you need to be very careful on this one, how you click links. Links are the best ways of sharing things anywhere, even including on WhatsApp, because it will leave no file like a video or photo into your embedded gallery without your permission. But be wary of links. For example, there is spam links of MTN has promotion, United Nations are giving free money. Those links, check the domain well. You will realize that the domains are crooked. It will not write mtn.co.ug, no? There are some other things that they put there. So In case if you don't know, consult experts. Like for example, you can consult Acholi Private TV. It is free consultancy. You will get it as quick as quick. It will save you from more dangerous things like getting disturbed a lot. The fourth one is you need to check for unauthorized devices. Unauthorized devices, because WhatsApp, you can now link other devices into your WhatsApp account. You can link your computer, you can link another tablet for you to access your WhatsApp, the same WhatsApp account from any platform. Matter of fact, this is why sometimes it's hard for me to receive calls, because at times I'm using my WhatsApp in the sitting room, my phone is there charging in the bedroom. So this makes life a little bit easy, but also there are people who may choose to use this to get into your WhatsApp account. They can link their device into your account and you will get problems. So you need to check, because you will have to name those devices. How do you check it? Go to settings and see linked devices, and you will find how you can set it and monitor. Any device that you believe you're not the one who connected, disconnect as soon as possible to save yourself. Hacking is real. Always enable security notification to show that in case any security details with a contact has changed, you will be in the know. This will help people of high technical knowledge in hacking not to access your account. Go to settings, account, and security. Then you will press what is called show security notifications. That is the fifth method. And number 6 is very obvious, but many people like ignoring. Use strong lock screen or strong security system. You can use a strong pattern, or you can use fingerprint. Your fingerprint, that's biometric. You use biometric. The biometric options available depending on your phone. That's why you should also be careful of devices that you use. Some other devices doesn't have security support. So biometrics can be fingerprint, can be your face. It can also be your voice or any other method that may come that we still don't know. So set it strong, because there are people who may hope that have failed to do remote hacking. Then they may look for your device by stealing it or by coming near you. So if they come in contact with your device and they access they unlock the device, you're hacked. Avoid using public Wi-Fi. I know this is hard to accept, but avoid using public Wi-Fi, especially for sensitive communications, because anybody of a technical knowledge who is owning a public Wi-Fi can easily access you through your MAC address. Now, what if using the public Wi-Fi is a must? Then this is what you should do. Make sure you use a VPN, virtual private network. There are a lot of free VPNs online. You can also pay to have upgraded security. These words may sound so light, so simple, but they're very, very important. As I said, number 7 is hard to accept, but that is the fact. Then lastly, which is number 8, is regularly review the privacy policy to customize who can see your privacy, like contact, last seen, stories, and so on and so on. Go to setting, account, and privacy. This can also help you. Thank you so much for watching this video on Acholi Pro Info TV. And this is how you can avoid being hacked on WhatsApp. Thank you. Stay subscribed.